Hello student, first of all I will congratulate all of you and welcome to our first session, that is Commerce Mathematics. I am your maths teachers and myself Priyanka Doble. I am teaching you mathematics. First of all, our subject mathematics is a very interesting subject. Some student who don't like mathematics, so don't take tension or don't worry. The syllabus of our 11 commerce is very easy and very helpful in our day-to-day life. So look, before start our syllabus or before start our new chapter, first we discuss about our syllabus. Which syllabus we have to complete in our whole year and which chapters we have to study in this year. So there are two papers in our mathematics. First of all, in mathematics we have to distribute this paper in theory plus practical. There are theory of 80 marks and practical of 20 marks. So total we will get 100 marks. And there are two papers of our mathematics. So there is paper first and this is our paper second. So first we see marks distribution of each and every paper. How many marks will allot to every chapter. So we see first our paper first. So which chapters we have to study in the paper first? So there is our first chapter, that is sets and relation, which are all of you are familiar with the word sets. There is relation is our new word, but which are also very easy. So first set, we are already know the set. So when we start our chapter set and relation, we see this in detail. So our chapter sets and relation having 5 marks. So second chapter is functions. So the chapter function having again 5 marks. Third chapter is complex number, 6 marks. Fourth one is sequence and series, that is having 8 marks. Also these were sequence are studied in last year. All of you know the sequence. In last year we see what is meant by sequence. In sequence we see arithmetic progression, geometric progression. So again in 11th standard we also study this concept sequence and series in our 4th chapter. Now next one is locus and straight line. Also this straight line, the line will all of you know that. Next one is determinants. Next limits, which are in 7 marks weightage. And chapter number 8 is our continuity. And next one is differentiation. So this is our paper first and total weightage of marks are 58. This is with options. Now what is our paper second? So there is commercial mathematics. Paper second is very interesting subject which we have to study in this year. So first chapter in the paper second, that is partition values. So second one is measures of dispersion. Third one skewness. Next fourth bivariate frequency distribution. Fifth one is correlation. Sixth one permutation and combination. Next seventh is probability. That is again all of you know that what is probability. We are already studied the probability. Next linear equation, which are also very easy chapter. And the last chapter is commercial mathematics. In this chapter we study about the GST. There are how many so many examples which are on the GST. So this is our paper second, and again this paper second having 58 marks weightage. This weightage is with option. We have to solve paper only of 100 marks. This is so first we start our new chapter sets and relations. So first look at sets and relations. All of you know the word set. So what is mean by set? Set is a collection of some objects. Set is a collection of some objects. If I take a chalk in my hand and I am saying that this is the set of chalk, not. This is not a set of chalk because for set we have to collection of some object. If I am taking collection of chalks, then I am saying that this is a set of chalk. So first word, chapter number 1. Chapter 1. So sets and relation. Sets and relations. So first of all, in this chapter, we are going to study about sets. And all of you knows the sets. So what is mean by set? In your mind, you are make the examples of set. Many examples we are telling about the sets. Like the set of days in a week, set of months in a year, set of colors in a rainbow. So what is mean by set? Set is nothing but a collection of well-defined objects. एखाद्या वस्तूंचा विशिष्ट असा समूह, it is called as a set. Set it is a collection of well-defined objects. It is a collection of well-defined objects. विशिष्ट अशा वस्तूंचा समूह, it is called as a set. So mostly sets can be denoted by capital letters like A, B, C, X, Y, Z, and etc. Sets are mostly denoted by using capital letters. Mostly denoted by using capital letters like A, B, C, X, Y, Z, etc. So we write so many examples of a set. So first I am telling to you, let A be the set. A be the set of days in a week. Days in a week. So I am writing this set as A is equal to. So set means Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and up to Saturday. Then I am completing this set. So this is one example of a set. So set is nothing but the collection of well-defined objects. It is called as a set. So one more thing is that the sets are also denoted by capital letters like A, B, C, X, Y, Z, and etc. Now the element in the sets. Now these are the elements, or it is also called as objects, or it is also called as members. So the elements in the sets are denoted by small letters in the A, B, C, D, and so on. The elements are denoted by small letters, but the sets are denoted by capital letters. The elements in the set are also called as a member, or it is also called as objects. It is also called as members, objects, or elements. So remember that the sets are denoted by capital letter and the element in the sets are denoted by the small letters. Now if I am saying that the element, suppose I am taking a set A is equal to A, B, C, D, and I am saying that this small a is the element of this set A, then I am writing as, then I can write as A belongs to A. This symbol is very important. It is called as a belongs to A. That means the element A belongs to this set A. When I am saying X, the element X is not in the set A. So I written as X does not belongs to A. X does not belongs to A. If I am saying that the element is in the set A, then it can be written as like this. A belongs to A. If I am saying the element which are not belong to this set, then I write as X does not belongs to A. This is in the symbolic form. If we have written as, then we write A belongs to A. A belongs to A. And this symbol X does not belongs to A. X does not belongs to A. If this is the element of set A, then write it as like this, A in A. And if it is not an element of this set, then write it as X does not belongs to A. This is in symbolic form. If you have to write, then write like this. So understand this? Now first we are study some set of numbers. First we are going to study some set of numbers. So sets in mathematical words. Sets in mathematical words. before we have start set, we know the sets in mathematical. So first we write n. So n in mathematics, it is called as a set of natural number, and all of you know that set of natural number. So what is mean by natural number? It is called as, in Marathi, it is called as naisargik sankhya. So what is mean by natural number? The set of natural number. Set of natural number. So what is set of natural number? So n is equal to, right, set of natural number. So natural number starts from 1 to up to infinity. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on up to infinity. This is called as a set of natural number. Now next one we see real number, set of real numbers. The set of real numbers. So in real line we see plus, minus, in middle 0, and there is right side, this is our real line. So there is 0, and in this side there are positive numbers, and in this side there are negative numbers. This is called as a real line. Now next one is integers. Set of integers. It is denoted by I. The set of integer. Again it is positive or it may be negative. Now next one is whole numbers. It is denoted by W. Whole numbers, that means it includes 0. In natural number there is the set does not include the 0. W means the set of whole numbers. The set of whole numbers. That is, it starts from 0, 1, 2 and so on up to infinity. Now next one we see rational number Q. It is denoted by Q. That is set of rational number. Q means the set of rational numbers. So what is meant by rational number? The number simply which is in the form of P by Q. The numbers in the form of P by Q, but where Q not equal to 0. The number in the form of P by Q, but where Q not equal to 0. These numbers are called as a rational number. Then again we start that the set of irrational number. Any set you can say the numbers. Now we can take one example like the set of multiple of 2. Then we write 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. The set of multiple of 10. That is 10, 20, 50 and so on. Now we can see some examples of a set. So first I will take one example. The B be the set of days in a week. Let C be the set of colors in a rainbow. Like D be the set of student in the 11th commerce class. Also E be the set of books in your bag. Any examples you can make in your mind. Now first, there are two methods to represent the set. There are two methods to represent a set. So first one method is there, roster form. First method to represent a set is roster form, or it is also called as a tabular form. It is also called as a tabular form. Representation of a set. Representation of a set. Representation of a set. To represent a set, we use two methods. So first one is roster and second one is set builder form. So in this session, we are going to study the roster form. So what is meant by roster form? In simply we write the set in the form of roster form. Roster form means list the all element in a curly bracket and separate they from each other by comma. List all the elements in the curly bracket. List all the elements in the curly bracket and separate them by comma. separate it by commas. Means we have to write the elements in a curly bracket and separate the elements from each other. So in a roster form, the elements are listed in the curly bracket and separate the element from each other by using comma. So we take one example. So let X be the set of all ovals. X be the set of all ovals in English alphabet. Ovals in English alphabets. So we have to write this set in a roster form. So what is roster method? Write all the elements in curly bracket and separate the elements from each other by using comma. So what is the element in this set of ovals? So that is set of ovals means the ovals in English alphabet, that is A, E, I, O and U. So I am writing this set as X is equal to A, E, I, O, U. So this is our set of English alphabet, set of ovals of English alphabet, that is A, E, I, O and U, and separate the one oval from other, that is by using comma. This is the method of writing the set in the roster form. Now I can take another example. Let B be the set of a months in a year. A months in a year, that is I am writing B is equal to, so months in a year, that is January, February, March and continue up to December. So this is the method to represent a set in a roster form. In home you should try to write the examples of methods of a roster form, and in next lecture we see our next method, that is set builder form, to represent a set in the set builder form. I hope you should understand this video. Thank you.